Hello students, welcome back. I hope you all have gone through the chapter 1st and 2nd of maths and also have gone through the worksheets and tests which I have given you. Now today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, addition. In our previous class we have learned addition of numbers till 4 digits, that is till 1000 place. In this class we are going to extend the digits and learn about the 5 digit and 6 digit numbers, that is 10,000s and lakhs place. Now we will take our example 1 and now we will solve the addition with carrying. Now first example is add 4,28,783, 3,47,492 and 26,987. Okay, first arrange these addends in the columns. The numbers to be added means these are the numbers in which we are going to add. These numbers are called as addends. So firstly we are going to arrange these addends in the columns. Column means ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. We will arrange these addends in these columns like I have already arranged, and we have to add these addends. So our first step is add the ones. Add the ones. Ones are the 3, 2 and 7. So add these 3 plus 2 plus 7. That is 12. That is 12. Means we have to add the ones. Ones digits are 3 plus 2 plus 7, that which is equal to 12. Now we will write the 2 in the ones column, means we will write the 2 here in the ones column and carry over 1. Carry over 1 to the tens column. We know now this is the tens column. So okay, when we have add the ones, it becomes 12. So we will write the 2 in the ones column and we will carry over the 1 to the tens column. Now step 2. In step 2 we will add the tens. What are the tens here? 8, 9, 8. So we will add the tens. 8 plus 9 plus 8, which is equal to 25. And remember one thing here. Now don't forget here to add the 110 which you have carried over here. Right? Where we have added the ones now. But it becomes 2 and 1 is the carry here. So don't forget in tens column to carry the carry. Means 25 plus 1. 1 is the carry now. So it becomes 26. So now write the 6. Means we always write this digit. Means 6 in the tens column and carry the 2. Here we will carry the 2 to the hundreds column. Step 3. Our step 3 is add the hundreds. Add the hundreds with the carried over hundreds. Right? What are our hundreds? Hundreds are the 7, 4 and 9. With the carried over 100, carry over 100 is 2. Now we will add all these. 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 9, which is equal to 22. Okay. So now we will write in what way? 2 in the 100 place and carry 2 to the next one, thousands column. Now step 4. In step 4, add the thousands. Okay, now we are going to add the thousands with the carried over 1000. Okay, you know now what's the carry over 1000? The carry over 1000 is 2. Now we are going to add the thousands. Thousands numbers are 8, 7 and 6. So we are going to add 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6, which is equal to, we add this, which is equal to 23. Okay. Now we will write the 3 in the thousands column and we will carry over 2 to the 10,000 column. Okay. Now step 5. In step 5 what we will do? Add the 10,000s. Okay, after the 1000 column, what is our next column? Our next column is 10,000. So we'll add the 10,000s with the carried over the 10,000. Okay, what's the carry over 10,000? Carry over 10,000 is 2. Now we will add all these. Okay, we add all these digits which are in the 10,000s. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Adding this, which is equal to 10. Okay. Now we will write 0 in the 10,000 column. 0 here and carry over. Now we will carry over this one 1 to the lakh column. Come to the step number 6. Now our step number 6 is now add the lakh column. Okay. This is our lakh column. Now we are going to add the digits in the lakh column and with the carry over the number. Okay. Now the carry over lakh digits is it's the 1. Okay. Now we are going to add these numbers as 1 plus 4 plus 3. Okay. Which is equal to 8. Means this is equal to 8 lakhs. This is a single digit. So we will write here 8. Okay. So now we will write the 8 below the lakh column. So now our answer is 803,262. Okay. Speak with me all of you. It is 8,03,206 tens and 2 ones. Okay students, I hope you have understood the steps of the addition. Okay, now we are going to start our book exercise with the activity 1. In your activity 1, you have all the numbers of 4 digits. Let us see one example. Right students, all the steps which I have just told you. Now we are going to start our activity 1. In your activity 1, you will find all the questions which are in the 4 digits. Okay. What is our first step? Our first step is to arrange these addends. I told you now, the number which are to be added. These numbers are called as addends and the result which we get is called as a sum. Firstly, arrange these addends in the columns. Column means ones, tens, hundred and thousands. Right here 2614. Right here 2614. Next addend is 7, 3, 4, 6 and we have to add this. So mark here the sign of addition. Okay. Now what is our step 1? Our step 1 is add the ones. Ones are 4 and 6. On adding this, what we get? Adding 4 plus 6, we will get 10. Okay. So we'll write the 1 on the tens ones column, 0 in the ones column and ones will be carry over to tens column. Okay. Now our step 2. This is our step 1. Now our step 2. Our step is to add the tens digit. These are the 1 tens digit. These are the 1, 4 and we will also add the carry over tens. It will be 1 plus 1 plus 4. What it becomes? It becomes 6. So we will write the 6 in the tens column. In the same way, our next step is to add the hundreds. Okay, our hundreds is 6 and 3. This is our step 3. Now we will add this 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. So we will write our 9 in the hundreds column. Okay. Now our next step, step 4. Step 4 is that we have to add the thousands. Okay, thousands are 2 and 7. So we will add 2 plus 7. What it becomes? 7 and 2. It's 9. Okay, so we'll write the 9 in the thousands column. So our answer is 9960. This is our answer. Okay, and what we say it? 9,906 tens and 0 ones. Now in your activity 2. In activity 2 you have to do addition of the 5 digits number. Let us see one example. In activity 2 you have to do the addition of 5 digit number. I have taken an example that add 15,427 and 67,553. Okay. What is our first step? First step we have to arrange these addends. I already told you these numbers are addends. And arrange these addends in the columns. Column means ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Okay. First we write these addends in the columns. First one is 15, 4, 2, 7. Next is 6, 7, 5, 5, 3. Now we have to add these. Okay. What is our first step? Our first step is add the ones. Ones are the 7 and 3. Okay. So our step 1 is add 7 and 3. It becomes 10. Okay. So we'll write the 0. We'll write 0 in the ones column. Okay. We write 0 in the ones column and 1 and carry over 1 to the tens column. Okay. Now we will carry over 1 to the tens column. Now our next step. Second step is to remember that now you have to add the tens and also the carry over tens. So step 2 is add the tens means 2 plus 5 plus the carry over 10 means 1. So it will become 8. Okay. So we will write the 8 in the tens column. Okay. Now our next step is add the hundreds. Hundreds mean what are the digits we have? In hundreds we have the digits 4 and 5. So we'll add 4 plus 5. It becomes 9. Okay. So we will write the 9 in the hundreds column. Our next step. Now what we have to add the thousands. Numbers are the 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, what it becomes? 12. Okay. Now what we will do? We will write the 2 in the thousands column and carry over 1 to the 10,000 column. Okay. What is our next step? Our step number 5 is now we have to add the 10,000s. Okay. The digits in the 10,000 are 1 and 6 and also we have to add the carry over the 10,000. So it will be 1 plus 1 plus 6. It will become 8. Okay. So we will write 8 in the 10,000s column. And our answer is 82980. This is our answer. And when we add the addends and the answer in addition which we get, this is also called as a sum. I repeat it. 82,900, 8 tens and 0 ones. We come to our next activity 3 of maths. Okay. In activity 3 of this chapter, you have to do the addition of the 6-digit numbers. Okay. Now I have taken one example for you that add this addend and this addend. Okay. This is 6,52,813. Next one is 2,07,045. What is our first step? First step, what we do? We arrange these addends in the columns like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakhs. Okay. Firstly, write this addend as 6, 5, 2, 8, 1 and 3. Next addend is 2, 0, 7, 0, 4, 5. Okay. Now we have to add these addend. Okay. Now what is our step 1? In step 1 what we do? We will do add the ones column. So our step 1 is add the ones. Ones are the 3 plus 5. This is equal to 8. Okay. So we write 8 in the ones column. What is our step 2? In our step 2 we add the tens. Tens are the 1 and 4. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Tens column. Next step is step 3. In step 3 we have to add the hundreds. Hundreds are 8 and 0. Whenever we add 0 to any number, what it becomes? It remains the same. It means 8. So we write here 8 in the hundreds column. Now our next step 4 is add the thousands. Thousands are the 2 and 7. So add 2 plus 7. It is 9. So write here 9 in the thousands column. Next step. Our step number 5 is add the 10,000s. 10,000s are 5 and 0. So add 5 plus 0 which is equal to 5. So we write 5 in the 10,000s column. Our next step is step number 6. In step number 6 we will add the lakhs. Lakhs are the 6 and 2. Add this 6 plus 2. which is equal to 9. So we write 9 in the lakhs column. So this one 9, 5, 9, 8. Our next step is we have to add the thousands. Thousands are the 2 and 7. So 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7, this is equal to 9. So we will write 9 in the thousands place. Okay. What is our next step? Step number 5. In next step 5, you have to add the 10,000s. 10,000s are 5 and 0. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Okay. So write here 5 in the 10,000 column. Next step. Step number 6 is you have to add the lakhs. Lakhs are the 6 and 2. So add 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. Okay. So write 8 in the lakhs column. So this one 8, 5, 9, 8, 5, 8. This is your answer. Okay. 8,59,858. This is your answer. Okay students, I hope you have understood the concept of today. And today we have learned about the addition of 4-digit, 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. And you have to complete your activity first, second and thirds of your textbook in your notebooks. And thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.